What's up, guys? I am back with another Boxycharm unboxing. This is for the month of October 2018. I kind of forgot what time it is. And this month's theme is Alter Ego. We got some pretty cool stuff. This is the little leaflet guy. And inside of this leaflet, it breaks down kind of why they chose what they chose and the price and whatnot. So what I did is I took a little peek in the box, maybe did some swatches. I kind of cheated a little bit. I was excited. And then I put whatever was not in the box on my face already. So I have my eyebrows done, my base. I have some bronzer on. And we are just going to jump right into it. So this came with a pure palette. I think this is beautiful. It's called Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. And the unit carton and the outside of the actual packaging is exactly the same, which I like. So it comes with a face palette and then 4 eyeshadows, which is cool, and a tiny little mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and dip into one of those blushes. All right, I decided to swatch the blushes and the highlighters for you. I'm not sure if you can really see that, but this color right here is Twilight, and then we have Enchantment, Hidden Secret, and Reveal. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into Reveal, which is a pretty dark kind of plummy color. And I'm hoping that if I tap off the excess on my brush, maybe it's not gonna be so super pigmented. So let's see how this goes. Ooh. So these blushes are pretty pigmented. I like dusted it onto my brush basically. And I'm still getting very good color payoff. Next, I'm going to be dipping into the Twilight Highlighter, which is the lightest shade, because the other one is like basically straight copper, and obviously that is not going to work for my skin tone. Alright, so that highlight is pretty. It's not super blinding. I think that it can be kind of natural if you want it to be. Oh, hi! I got a little Hermione. Oh, you can't see her. There she is. Hi, Hermione. Usually it's Groucho that's hanging out in that spot, but not today. I have my little girl. Alright, anyway, let's focus. So I'm going to go ahead and hop into the eyes, and I'll zoom you in just a wee bit. Alright, so this palette is pretty. I would say my only issue is that there's only a single matte shade. So you kind of have to dip into another palette to get like a full look. I mean, I guess you don't have to, but it would be easier. So I'm going to maybe use like the blushes for a transition shade. Okay, I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm gonna dip into Enchantment. This is shimmery, so it's not ideal for a transition shade, but I'm going to just make it work. And I'm probably just gonna speed you guys through this because this is more about just me testing the products, not so much a tutorial.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love.
Okay, so that is the eyeshadow. I'm pretty pleased with it. I like most of the colors in there, and I think I created kind of a fun look. The blue was pretty, but I've definitely used blues that had more pigment. I did have to build it up quite a bit to really get that ultra metallic foiled look that I was going for. So, you know, not bad. The rest of the palette I do like though, and I will definitely be experimenting with it more. We also have probably one of my favorite mascaras ever in the, excuse me, in the box. It is the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. And I have used this before. I've never bought the full size, but I have used the little miniatures. And this mascara is like fucking bomb. Oh, I should probably tell you how much stuff is. So, the mascara retails for $24 and the Masquerade palette is $38. So, let's pop this on my eyes. This mascara is thebomb.com. Next in the box, we got something very exciting, a full-size Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. And I think they gave a variety of shades. I got the shade Mother, which I've never tried before. It looks like this. I'm not really sure that that's gonna go with this eye look. I kind of didn't think about that, but you know what? We're just gonna do it anyway. And that retails for 20 doll hairs. So that is the lipstick. It's really pretty. It's like a soft kind of rose color, which I actually don't think that I have any liquid lipsticks like this, so I'm excited. Like I said, does not go with this eye look. I probably would have paired a nude or like a peachy color, but you know what? We're just trying on what's in the damn box.
What's in the box?
Sorry. Anyway, we have one more thing left, and that is a makeup remover from Farmacy, I think. It's a Korean brand. That's cool. It's called the Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. All right. Let's take a look-see. That's what that looks like. It smells like mint. Sorry if the lighting changed a little bit. It was getting kind of dark, so I had to turn on my little studio lights. So after applying this makeup, and I mean, I kind of like it, so I'm sad that I'm going to be doing this, but I am going to be testing out the makeup remover because that's what I'm here to do. I gotta test out all the products in the box. What's in the box? All right. I'm kind of scared. Like the smell of it. Oh, wow. The smell of it makes me nervous that it's going to like burn or be really tingly or like cooling. I don't know. It's very oily. Oh, okay. I guess you can kind of just dig it out. All right, here goes nothing. This is about to look crazy. I just know it. Do I look like a weird clown or like a painting that's been smeared? That's what I feel like. All right, I'm going to go wash this off because I imagine that I have weird color all over my face and I can't really see. I don't want to open my eyes. So let's hope when I get back that it doesn't look crazy anymore. Well, that was pretty successful and my face my skin is like really soft. Huh. I mean, there's like a little bit of mascara left over, but then again, I didn't really like smush it into my lashes very much. So I think I could probably take all of that off if I had tried. Oh man, my face is really smooth. Okay, I like that stuff. I like it a lot. Our last item in the box is a mask by the brand Dermovia, I think. Lace Appeal Black Bamboo Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. It's an intense exfoliating facial mask with compression lace support. Interesting. You get 2 lace masks. And this puppy, those masks holy shit, those masks retail for $30. Jesus Cristo. It says the detoxifying charcoal peel paste and lace compression mask offers spa-like extraction results. The naturally blended peel paste in conjunction with the mask grips to the skin, helping to further draw out impurities for a deep decongestion and exfoliation experience. So it looks like you get a pair of panties in here. This is one of the weirdest, I don't know why I had to smell that. This is one of the weirdest things I've ever seen. This is definitely one of those like strange AF beauty products. Like, I'm going to rob a bank in a sexy lace mask. Okay, whatever. How do I use you though? Step 1, cleanse and dry face. Done. Step 2, apply an even layer of peel paste to targeted areas. Avoid eye area, eyebrows, hairline, and lips. Step 3, line up holes with eyes, nose, and mouth. Press lace mask to areas where peel paste is applied. Okay, I'm kind of nervous about this. I really don't want this to be super drying, but it probably is going to be. So I guess I'm just going to put this in my issue areas, which is like my nose and cheeks and, I mean, basically my whole face. Warning, probably should shake before use or massage or something because it comes out separated. Ooh, that is thick. So far, just like any other, you know, charcoal mask. Holy shit, this stuff is so sticky. Damn. Okay. Definitely burning the eyes a little bit. Oh my god. Yeah, there's a reason that you're supposed to keep this away from your eyes, but I didn't think you usually don't have to keep it that far away from your eyes. I mean, come on. Y'all, this stuff is really cold and smells quite strongly. It is burning my eyes, even though it's not in my eyes. All right, here goes nothing. Is that the nose hole? Oh my god, this shit is ridiculous. Doesn't exactly line up on my face very well. Maybe I did it wrong. Oh, yeah, I did. Well, you know what? You gotta learn sometime. And then you take these things at the bottom and put them around your ears. Oh my god. My roommate is going to come home and think there's a burglar in the house. Oh my gosh, this is so weird. Oh.
20 minutes later.
Okay, and I am back with wine because I'm a little bit nervous that this is really going to hurt. I have left it on for probably 20 minutes, maybe more. I tend to just forget that I'm wearing masks and leave them on for way too long. So, all right, y'all. Let's see how this works. Ugh. The lace is supposed to make it easier to peel off. And, you know, we'll see. Well, you know, except for that part up there. Oh my god. Yikes. Maybe I didn't press it down, oh my god, into those parts very well. Well, as you can see, there's still a lot left on my face. Inspecting the mask, it does look like it mainly just removed the peach fuzz from my face, which is pretty standard for these like peel off masks because I don't have a lot of like blackheads or issues that can be removed from a peel. I have other skin problems. So that being said, I definitely don't think that's worth $15 a mask. But anyway, I'm gonna go wash the rest of this shit off my face. My face is soft, I will give it that, and I'm definitely going to moisturize the hell out of it because I'm pretty sure I peeled off all of the skin also. Anyway, give it a like if you liked it, and please, if you do subscribe to Boxycharm, let me know what you got in your box. I'm especially curious about what other colors of the Kat Von D lipstick there were around. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see me rip more skin off of my face in the future. And that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.